Hey there, pediatric dentists! Today I'm diving into some fantastic techniques for restoring kids' smiles. Specifically, we'll be focusing on aesthetic restorative techniques for anterior teeth and managing aesthetic concerns in older children aged 7 to 15. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about strip crowns. Strip crowns are a game changer for restoring primary anterior teeth. They're pre-formed, transparent crowns that are filled with a composite resin and then cured. Once the resin is set, you peel off the transparent form, leaving behind a beautiful, natural-looking tooth. The key here is to ensure proper moisture control and isolation to achieve ideal results. Now, moving on to composite veneers. These are an excellent option for older kids who need a bit of extra aesthetic touch. Composite veneers involve layering composite resin directly onto the tooth, allowing you to sculpt and shape the veneer for a perfect fit. One major advantage is they're minimally invasive and can be completed in a single visit. Plus, they offer fantastic color matching and durability. Alright, let's focus on managing aesthetic concerns in older children, those aged between 7 and 15. This age group presents unique challenges, but also great opportunities for aesthetic restorations. For kids in this age range, it's crucial to consider both the functional and aesthetic aspects of the restoration. One effective technique is using indirect composite or porcelain veneers. These can be especially useful for teenagers who have finished most of their growth. Indirect veneers are created outside the mouth and then bonded to the teeth, providing a very natural and durable result. Another approach is orthodontic intervention combined with aesthetic restorations. This can include minor tooth movement to improve alignment before placing veneers or crowns. Collaborating with an orthodontist can ensure comprehensive care and optimal results for the patient. It's also important to address any underlying habits that might affect the longevity of the restorations, such as thumb sucking or nail biting. Educating both the child and their parents about proper oral hygiene and habits is crucial for maintaining those beautiful smiles. Remember, the goal is to restore function and aesthetics while ensuring the child feels confident and comfortable with their smile. Keep communication open with both the child and their parents to understand their concerns and expectations. So there you have it, some top techniques for restoring kids' smiles. Whether you're using strip crowns, composite veneers, or a combination of orthodontics and aesthetic restorations, your role in creating beautiful, functional smiles is invaluable. Thanks for tuning in and keep those smiles shining bright. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.